Jack and Jill 2020. Jack and Jill went up the hill. He had paid her to make a porno. But when Jill pulled Jack's trousers down, she seen he wasn't normal. You see, Jack had a massive Boaby. It rested just below his knee. Jill's jaw drapped and then she shrieked, "That'll no fit inside me." But Jill was a good time girl. You know the fucking kind. She'd have a ride at anyhin. Jill really didn't mind. "I'll give you more fucking money," said Jack. "You see, I've never had my hole. All the lassies I've showed afore have feared the totem pole." "More fucking money," said Jill. "You better make it double. And another £100 if you're wanting a fucking gobble." Jack pulled out his wallet and handed Jill the cash. And like a true professional, Jill got Jack hard nice and fast. Jack got quite lightheaded as all the blood rushed to his stauner. And to Jill's amazement, Jack's Boaby got even longer. Jack's Boaby now stood 4 foot, but it was awfully fucking thin. It kinda looked like a pool cue wrapped in veiny pale blue skin. "Right, let's get you pumped then," Jill said to nearly passed out Jack. "Here we fucking go," he shouts. But then Jack had a heart attack. Jack and Jill 2020.